Toyota is adopting a "don't fix what isn't broken" approach with the 2024 iteration of its hydrogen-powered Mirai sedan. The latest model comes adorned with fresh badging, an infusion of standard safety technologies, and a slight uptick in pricing. The most notable enhancement is the incorporation of the standard Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This comprehensive safety suite includes pre-collision and pedestrian detection systems, designed to automatically apply brakes in the event of an impending collision. Additionally, it features lane departure warning with steering assist. A notable attraction for potential buyers is the inclusion of full-speed range dynamic cruise control and lane tracing assist, allowing the vehicle to assume some driving responsibilities. In terms of aesthetics, the updates are mainly superficial. The elemental silver exterior paint color is now an option for both grades. All models will showcase Toyota's new Beyond Zero Blue Circle badge, a feature also found on the brand's electric and hybrid vehicles. Similar to the 2023 model year, the lineup commences with the XLE grade, now priced at $51,215, inclusive of a $1,025 destination charge. This reflects a $690 increase from the previous year. The XLE includes features such as Softex trimmed, heated seats with 8-way adjustability for the driver, 4 for the passenger. It is also equipped with dual-zone climate control, auto-leveling LED headlights, a JBL premium audio system, wireless charging, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and more. For those seeking additional features, the optional Advanced Technology package is available. This package introduces a panoramic view monitor, front and rear parking assist with automated braking, and digital key compatibility. Moving up the range, the Mirai Limited is now priced at $68,180, marking a $1,155 increase from 2023. Building upon the XLE's offerings, the Limited variant boasts heated and ventilated rear seating, 3-zone climate control, ambient lighting, a panoramic moonroof, and advanced parking control. Continuing the trend from the previous model year, the Mirai retains the offer of 6 years of complimentary hydrogen, applicable if the vehicle is purchased before March 31, 2024. Lease options also come with $15,000 or 3 years of free fuel if secured before the specified date.